My routine. My name is Iseli Gomez. From Monday to Friday, I work as a teacher in the educational institution, Puerto Escondido, Córdoba. I get up at 5 o'clock a.m. I organize to go to work, then I walk to my work and I arrive at 6 o'clock a.m. because it stays near of my house and I get greetings of my co-workers. I arrive to the classroom and I receive my students. At 12 p.m., I return to my house working and I prepare the lunch. At 1:13 p.m., I eat with my family. I lie down in a hammock and I sleep for half an hour. On Mondays, I plan the activities that I will do from Tuesday to Thursday, since the free days at the school are sporting and cultural days. On Tuesday at 3 p.m., I go to school and I meet with my co-workers to organize cultural and sport activities. On Wednesday, from 4 o'clock to 10 o'clock p.m., I meet with the member of the Foundation Bullerengue Pavende, where we'll make collection and donation for the children of the throne. And finally, I visit my friend's house and I stay to sleep with her. On Thursday, I practice bullerengue from 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock at night, which help my health and recreated me. On Friday from 5 o'clock a.m. to 7 o'clock p.m. I make the market of my house, since there are many offers the day. On Saturday, I get up at about 8 o'clock a.m. and I organize my clothes and my house. I take care of my parents from 7 o'clock a.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. I watch movies with my brother and sister-in-law. On Sunday, I get up at 6 a.m. and I walk along the beach and I return to my house with my boyfriend. Then we go to church after 12:13 p.m. We go to lunch and then we walk to my house to go to sleep. Thank you.